Hi, my name's Gary Pegg from South Pacific Taxidermy. Would you like to see a little of our world? Well, come with me and have a look at what we do every day. This here is the Alaskan brown bear, and as you know, they're one of the meanest animals in the world. Just check out the claws on this fellow here. Our customers bring these sorts of trophies to us from all over the world simply because we're the best in the industry. And if you want a prized trophy like this, to look like this, you need to come on down to South Pacific. You know, when I started 30 years ago, there was nobody in Australia mounting international trophies like these high-ends from Africa. And I've built a business on being the best international game trophies. And that's why our customers bring us some of the rarest and most prized trophies to be found anywhere in the world. Now, one of the things that we pride ourselves at South Pacific Taxidermy is that we are the #1 importers of exotic game from around the world. So whether it be hippos, the Asian sheep, or the exotic bongo from Africa, we can help you with all the CITES paperwork to get you through the government bureaucracies. We can also help you with quarantine because we have our own quarantine stations. Not only do we cater for the international hunter, we have the largest range of international and exotic wildlife we found around the world for hire and sales. So if there's anything you need, whether it be a bear, bird, or anything exotic that you need for your events, give us a call. So whether you be a hunter or collector, go check out our website on www.southpacifictaxidermy.com, or else go check out our Facebook and like us there and see what competitions or events we may be running for you.